What is influencer marketing? Customers are moving away from traditional marketing because they understand that celebrity endorsement is a marketing strategy and doesn't actually mean that the celebrity recommends or has even used the product or service they are endorsing. That's why they are more inclined to find fresh voices on the internet. So, here are a few ideas in any brand starter kit when it comes to collaborating with an influencer on a social media platform. Paying the individual for sponsored posts that are clearly marked as such. Giving them exclusive access and striking a deal with them to post X number of reviews, which increases brand awareness and reach. Give influencers merch or discounts on merch and getting an honest review. How this works. Individuals who can recommend your brand in a way that makes it more palatable to potential customers. This is how influencers deal with brands. They are essentially content creators that want to make stuff that is likable and shareable. They create material that you can repurpose for your mainstream promotional channels, like email marketing to name one. But influencer marketing is not restricted to social media posts and videos. You can think of product reviews, product placements in their content, unboxing videos, promoting your campaigns and new launches, sharing discounts and coupon codes, announcing giveaways, partnerships that go for more than one video or post, supporting influencer causes by taking part in their events, planting your product in their events. Types of influencer marketing. Here are 5 ways in which you can get started. 1. Contests. Depending on your pricing, you can allocate a portion of your budget to organize contests and giveaways. This can be a monthly event, but you can make it more frequent if you can afford to do so. 2. Create sponsored content. This is another popular way of getting users to engage with influencers, and through them with your brand. It is a common marketing technique too. It gives you the opportunity to ask the influencer to endorse a particular product or service through their blog posts, images, or videos. 3. Content and product collaborations. This is a mirror image of celebrity endorsements. You can create products along with your influencer, which benefits both parties as well. It's a common practice in the fashion industry, where the entire line of products is launched with a celebrity. 4. Takeovers. This practice has been around for a while, but is picking up pace quite rapidly in recent times. You allow the influencer to take over your social media channels for a period of time. More often than not, it is for a day, but you can do it for a particular season marking a special occasion. 5. Reviews. This takes us back into the realm of traditional marketing, except your influencer is the one reviewing the product. You can strike a deal to make it a favorable review or get an honest one. If you're gunning for a favorable review, you will have to offer a freebie, but they will have to do a full disclosure to their audience.